Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2. Hey guys, what's up? It's Stacy
And Jessica.
and we're back here today with another YouTube video. So as you can probably tell by the title, this is an ongoing trend on my channel where we do guess the scent challenges. And usually it's me picking out the scents and the other person has to guess. But this time it's a little different. So you want to explain what we're doing this time?
I picked 10 scents and she's gonna try to guess them.
Yeah, I know I basically used pretty much most of these scents, if not all of them. Some of them are new, but I pretty much have smelled them, so like we'll see how this is gonna go.
But if you don't know the label, you won't know what the scent is. So.
But if you have if you've seen a couple videos ago, I did a slime room tour, you would know that I have a lot of scents.
Yes.
And a lot of them are pretty similar.
Choose yours.
So, yeah, we'll see if I can even get it right.
Okay.
But anyways, before we get on to the video, I wanted to let you know that I probably still have slimes in my shop if you want to go check it out. It is vaslimery.com. I'll put it right here on the screen and is also linked down below, as well as my Instagram and all the other stuff. So definitely go check it out and comment down below your favorite pizza topping. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Pepperoni.
It's something vanilla.
No, nothing vanilla. I mean, it might have vanilla in it, but I never had it.
Yeah, it's like the
Honeydew melon.
the inside of those aren't orange.
Yes, they are.
No, that's a cantaloupe.
No.
Honeydew is green.
Honeydew is orange.
Get your phone. Get your phone. Get your phone.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna show the camera that they're green. Okay, look at. Okay.
When I had it, it was orange.
Look. Oh.
Oh.
Looky.
Oh.
Looky there. They're green. Green. Cantaloupe. This is a cantaloupe.
Well, when I ate it, it was orange. So, boom.
Are you sure you didn't eat a cantaloupe?
It was honeydew. I asked my mom, see if it was honeydew.
That's
and it's
cantaloupe.
5 letters.
Oh, is it like, it's like,
Berry.
oh, so it's like, I know what you're talking about. I don't remember how it starts with, but it's like a bunch of mixed berry scents.
Like berry.